you could choose two of the dimensions and solve for the third, or you can use prime factorization to find the whole number solutions, which is actually the simpler of the two methods. So let's go ahead and find the prime factorization of the number that we previously found in our last video tutorial, 103,950. So first you start with your number. Our volume for this one is 103,950. And what you're going to do when you prime factorize this number is you're going to break it down into its more basic factors. Meaning, find two numbers that multiply to give me 103,950. In this case, those two numbers are 150 and 693. Now there are a couple other numbers, however, those are the two more basic numbers that I found earlier. And these are ones that are more simple to break down into smaller parts. Then you take those two numbers you found and you break those down into their smaller factors. Meaning 150 is 10 times 15. Those are its smaller factors. 693 is 9 times 77. Those are its smaller factors. And then if they can, which in this case they can, you break those factors even down into the more simplest of parts. Meaning, put their factors down. Now there's not always going to be factors, however if there are, you want to break them down until you get their prime numbers, hence why it's called prime factorization. So 10 breaks down into 2 and 5, 15 breaks down into 3 and 5, 9 is 3 and 3, and 77 is 7 and 11. Now all of these numbers on the bottom, these are prime numbers. Therefore, since all of those numbers are prime numbers, that is our prime factorization. And when you write the prime factorization, you list the numbers multiplied together in order from least to greatest. Meaning, the prime factorization of 103,950 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 11.